Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will see how to link agents with brands or item groups in Logic ERP. To begin, go to the main menu and expand the Setup module. Under Setup Accounts, navigate to the Setup Agents section and open the Agent Plus Company Group linking window. Select the required agent from the drop-down list. In the linking type, you can choose either company or group. If company is selected, choose the required brand from the list. With this configuration, whenever a bill is generated for any article belonging to the selected brand, the item-wise agent will be picked automatically. Once done, save the changes. Under Entry mode, you can check the linking and see which agents are linked to the brand. Let's go to Sale Bill window and initiate a new transaction. We will skip the agent selection in the header and move directly to the Item Details window. If the agent name column is not shown in the grid, you can enable it from Setup Column Attributes. Now transact an item belonging to the linked brand. As you can see, the agent name is automatically fetched as per the defined settings. Next, transact an article from another brand, and you will notice that no agent is picked because no agent is linked with that brand. Now, go back to the linking window, select the agent, choose another brand, and save the changes. Return to the Sale Bill window and transact the article again. This time, the agent is automatically selected. You can also review the agent-wise and product-wise sales analysis under Agent-wise reports. This report displays sales details for each item based on the respective agent, helping you analyze agent sales performance item-wise. Additionally, you can link multiple agents with a company or group. To do this, go to Entry mode and open the Setup Column Attributes list. Enable the Multiple Agents column. Click on Refresh. Press the space key in the Multiple Agents column to select multiple agents. All the selected agents will be linked with the brand. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.